Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a video on a DIY face scrub. And as usual, it's a simple one ingredient hack. And this ingredient is baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda is an alkaline substance which helps to balance the pH levels of your skin. It also contains anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, and it can help remove dead skin cells and unclog pores as it's a mild abrasive and makes it an excellent exfoliator for this reason. So all you need to do is take about 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, mix it with a little bit of water. Do this a drop at a time until you get the right consistency to be able to apply on your face. Rub in circular motions upwards and outwards. You'll notice that the grainy texture starts to disappear after some time. Once this happens, you can thoroughly rinse with warm water and then cool water, not forgetting to moisturize afterwards. All the techniques that I share with you guys are ones that I've tried and tested and worked for me. So my only hope is that it'll work for you as well. So let me know in the comments below whether this is the case or not. And until next time, be the change you want to see.